Hello folks, my name is ScottyMont. Right here you see that my chair is torn right at the seam. Wasn't my fault, wasn't the dog's fault, it was nobody's fault. Those things just happen. We don't sweat the small things. I'm going to try and patch this chair up, save myself a little bit of money and do it myself at home. I spend a lot of time in this chair. I have 3 big dogs and they all take turns getting attention. This is Duke. He's the alpha of the house, so he always gets the first turn. So I'll try to go step by step, give you a few pointers. Maybe you can use some of my ideas, maybe not. But I hope this helps you out. And I hope you're enjoying the music. Tell you, when Fran and Ledward get together and play guitar, it's amazing. This is called slack key guitar. It's a form of Hawaiian music. Real soothing. They start doing some real nice picking. You just go over to Fran Guidry's YouTube channel and you can hear all kinds of good music. So I'm pretty kicked back. I don't get too excited about anything. So this is going to be a slow video. I'm going to try to explain things the best I can. If you're one of those people that have an attention span of 3 minutes or less, you probably don't want to watch this video. Or fast forward it and just get out of it what you need. I understand people are always in a hurry. They don't have time for anything, it seems. YouTube even came out with this new video called YouTube Shorts. It has to be less than a minute long. I think that's just an insult to the human race. People don't have an attention span of more than 60 seconds. If it's more than 60 seconds, they just won't take the time to watch it. I don't know how people got into such a big hurry. Always in a rush and never get anything done. As soon as we're done relaxing, I'm going to get up out of this chair and I'm going to show you what I did to patch it up. It's a quick fix, but it worked. Doesn't look too bad either. So hang in there, guys. We'll get to the good part. took a look at the chair underneath, and it's kind of hard to take apart. It's all one piece, so it's all one piece, but it's sewn in different places. I just want to put a patch across here to fix it. Just a quick fix, you know. And I think I'm going to have to open this seam all the way to the end, because if I try to push this down in here, this is just going to buckle. Make them both the same. Make the whole length the same thing. Be easier. And then cut off all these strands of string and whatnot. So that's what I'll do first, and then take another look at it and go from there. There, I got that apart, and I cut off all the loose strings. So I'm ready to put that piece down. I'm going to see if I can fit this piece of foam in there. Make it a little bit more cushioned, since me and my dogs wore it out pretty good. This is our chair, huh, Tippy? Yeah, that's our chair. That's right. Done. This is a skill that every man should have in his arsenal. I'm real happy with how this turned out. You can see where I put in extra cushion here. Rounded the corners just to make it look really nice. Kind of a custom job. Now with practice, you can get this good too. Just don't go overboard with that duct tape. You have to check your enthusiasm before you start. With a little bit of patience, you can do this. Joking aside, let's get started. A quick disclaimer. I am not a tailor by profession. This video is not intended for children. Some of the tools used in this video have sharp edges. Some of the products used in this video contain harmful chemicals. I found some fake leather on Amazon. This was the most inexpensive stuff I could find. Color match is close enough. And boy, that was a big piece of material that they sent me. I used this mini sewing machine. I highly recommend it if you want to go this route. It doesn't cost that much. I got it on Amazon. To learn how to use this little machine, go to Ooni Crafts. It's a YouTube channel. This girl will teach you step by step how to use this little machine.
Okay.
So I've already gone through all the YouTube channels and
right here,
tried to learn from other people and had no success. So I'm going to save you some time. Just go to Ooni Crafts. She will teach you how to use this little machine, and she'll teach you how to set the tension. If you have any problems with the machine, you need to fix it, she'll even teach you how to do that. So she has my recommendation. This girl is awesome. Here's the machine I bought. You can see how small it is. I have a ruler by it. Well, first thing I did was I measured off a piece of this fake leather, cut out a piece that I needed, folded it over about 1/2 inch, put these little clips on it just to hold it while I sew it. And then I run it through the machine. Now, the pedal doesn't have a very long cord, so I got a 5-gallon bucket and I'm going to use that. I don't have any normal sized tables in my house. Here you can see that machine is a beast. it goes through this with no problem whatsoever. I am not an experienced, whatever you want to call it, sew person. And look at how easy this is. Finishing up. Now granted, my lines aren't very straight here, but with practice you can get better, I'm sure. Or I can get better with practice, but I'm not that concerned about it. And here's what it looked like when it's finished. Now those lines aren't too bad. They're a little off, but it'll work. This is the glue I used. It's called Shoe Goo. Got this on Amazon too. Never used it before, I'm just trying it out. And I used a lot of glue, and I'll tell you what, it really worked well. I'm not a big fan of glue, but this really held it. Now you remember this shot. I put this down first, and then I put the fabric, the material over the top of the duct tape and glued it down. I used this blue painter's tape just to tape the edges in case the glue comes out of the seams, that it won't get all over the chair. I glued it down. I used a lot of glue. Then I'm using this blue painter's tape to hold down the seams until the glue dries. No rush, I might let it sit there for 2 days. Make sure it's completely dry. Right, Duke? Come here, boy. Come here, Duke. Our chair's almost done. I plan on using the chair while the glue's drying. Won't hurt anything. So, no rush. Good to go. It's been about 3 days, so I took that tape off, the blue tape that was holding the seams down. I've been using the chair, me and my dogs. We've been using the chair and it's held up real good. Adding that extra cushion down in here worked out real nice. I think I saved myself about $200 doing it myself. Easy fix. For those of you who are unbelievers, let me do this. I want to show you that it doesn't bunch up at the bottom. It closes all the way. Color match is good enough. Might have to clean up a little bit of glue that came out of the seams. That glue reminds me of rubber cement, but it dries very fast. So once you put it on, you kind of have to move quickly. This is a lift chair, as you can see. Old guy like me needs help standing up. Not really, but it's nice to have. So as you can see, working out pretty good. Now I do see a little bit of glue right here. That's really easy to fix. Like I said, it's like rubber cement. You just peel that out with your fingers. Comes right out. So let me put this back down for you. It's just me and my dogs. And this chair is working out real nice for us. Paid about $450 instead of $2,500. There's one in the American Legion magazine. I've been a member of the American Legion for over 30 years. They want $2,500 for their lift chair. Well, I bought this for $450. It has 2 motors, and that's one of the reasons I really like it. It has a motor for the footrest, and then it has a motor for the headrest, so you can adjust those separately. So there you go. That's all I have. Now that the work is done, it's time to relax. It's been about a month now, and it's holding up real well. It's not coming apart at all. So stitching the ends, I think, really helped, and that glue is holding it. You can see here where the seam is, where it was torn apart at the beginning of this video. It's patched up real nice, and it's working out for us. Time to relax. Life is good. If you don't believe me, just ask Duke. Hey folks, thanks for hanging in there with me. Slow down, enjoy life. This is ScottyMont. Thank you for watching, folks.